Okay, magandang umaga po. Ang ating pong tatalakayin today ay ang addition in grade first or first grade. So, example, 3 plus 2. So, 3 plus 2 equals 5. So, these are the example of addition in one digit for the grade first or first grade, grade 1. Okay, another example is 5 plus 4 equals 9. Okay, so we use a finger if your number is less than 5 or less than 10. So, we need to say 5 finger plus 4 finger. Pag pinagsama po natin equals 9. Another example is 8 plus 5. So, we're going to use a line. Example is 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then plus 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So, you count first 8 line, then count 5 line, then combine it. Pagsasamahin po natin. 8 plus 5. So, there are 8 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So, 8 plus 5 equals 13. Okay. These are the example of adding number using line. Okay. Sana po naintindihan po ninyo ang addition or grade first. Yun lang po at maraming salamat po sa inyong pakikinig. Bye-bye po.